classes children, today in chapter number 9, that is time and temperature, we are going to discuss 12-hour and 24-hour clock. So as you all know children, there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to read 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. So you all know there are 12 hours, 24 hours in a day, out of which the first 12 hours are from midnight to midday. Okay, that is 12 midnight to 12 noon. Okay, and the next 12 hours are from midday to midnight, that is 12 noon, from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Okay, so now let's see how to convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Okay children, so you all know that in 24-hour clock we don't write AM or PM, but in 12-hour clock we have to write AM or PM. Okay, so see here, this 1 AM, when we will convert this into 24-hour clock, we will not write AM, we will write only 1 hour. Okay, we will write as 2 AM as 2 hours and 3 AM as 3 hours, 4 AM as 4 hours, 5 AM 5 hours, 6 AM as 6 hours, 7 AM as 7 hours, 8 AM as 8 hours, 9 AM as 9 hours, 10 AM as 10 hours, 11 AM as 11 hours, 12 noon as 12 hours. Okay, so in this way we will convert this 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. After 12 noon there will be 1 PM. Okay, after 12 noon we will be having 1 PM. So 1 PM we will write it as 13 hours. When we will convert this into 24-hour clock, we will write it as 13 hours. Okay, then 2 PM we will write it as 14 hours. 3 PM we will write it as 15 hours. 4 PM we will write it as 16 hours. 5 PM 17 hours. 6 PM 18 hours. 7 PM 19 hours. 8 PM we will write as 20 hours. 9 PM we will write it as 21 hours. Then 10 PM in the same way we will write it as 22 hours. 11 PM we will write it as 23 hours. 12 midnight we will write it as 24 hours or 0 hours. Okay, we will write it as 0 hours because this 12 midnight is again new beginning of the day. Okay, so we will write it as 0 hours. Okay, we can write it as 24 hours or we can write it as 0 hours. Okay, let's see children how to convert 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Okay, as you all know, in 24-hour clock we don't write AM or PM, but in 12-hour clock we write AM or PM. So you can see here this is given in 24-hour clock. We have to convert this into 12-hour clock. So we will be writing AM or PM in 12-hour clock. So how we will write this? We will write 1 hour as 1 AM, 2 hour as 2 AM, then 3 hour as 3 AM, 4 hour as 4 AM, 5 hour as 5 AM, 6 hour as 6 AM, 7 hour we will write it as 7 AM, 8 hour as 8 AM, 9 hour as 9 AM, 10 hour as 10 AM, 11 hour as 11 AM, and this 12 hour as 12 noon. We will write it as 12 noon. Okay, in 12-hour clock we will write like this using AM. Okay, now after 12 hour we will be having 13 hour. We will be having 13 hours. So how we will write this 13 hour in 12-hour clock? We will write it as 1 PM. This 13 hour we will write it as 1 PM in 12-hour clock. Okay, this again, then this 14 hour we will write it as 2 PM. This 15 hour we will write as 3 PM. 16 hour as 4 PM. 17 hours as 5 PM. 18 hours as 6 PM. This 19 hour as 7 PM. 20 hours as 8 PM. 21 hour as 9 p.m. 22 hours as 10 p.m. 23 hours we will write it as 11 p.m. and is this 24 hour we will write it as 12 midnight. Okay, because this 24 hour or 0 hours we write it as 12 midnight in 12-hour clock. Okay, now let's solve my practice time 1, children. Question number 1 is convert the given time to 24-hour clock time. Question number A is Jayesh is going to play football at 4 p.m. So this 4 p.m. we have to convert this into 24-hour clock time. So in 24-hour clock time, okay, we don't write this AM or PM, so we will remove this PM. Okay, after that we are having 4 PM, so we have to add this 4 hours in 12 hours. So we will add this 4 hours in 12 hours, so we will be getting 16 hours. Okay, so answer will be 16 hours. Okay, question number B is the aircraft from America landed at 2 AM. So here AM is there. Okay, so the hours will be same. 2 hours, we will write 2 hours. When we will convert this into 24-hour clock time, so we will write as 2 hours. This AM we will not write, we will write only 2 hours. Okay, now question number C is Tam sit down to have dinner at 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. we have to convert this into 24-hour clock time. PM is there, so we will add this 9:30 in 12. Okay, in 12 hours we will add this 9:30 hours. Okay, so this PM we will not write, we will add 12 hours to 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so we will be getting 21 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so we write as 21 hours 30 minutes. Okay, then question number D is I went for a walk at 6 a.m. So 6 a.m. is there, so we will remove this a.m. and we will write as 6 hours. Okay, so the answer will be 6 hours. Then the next question is question number E. The cuckoo calls loudly at 12 midnight. 12 midnight, when we will convert this into 24-hour clock time, we write it as 0 hours or 24 hours. Okay, so here we are writing 0 hours. We can write 24 hours also. Okay. Now question number 2 is convert the given time to 12-hour clock time, AM or PM. In 12-hour clock time we use AM or PM. Okay, so question number A is the flight landed at 14 hours. Okay, this is given in 24-hour clock time. We have to convert this into 12-hour clock time. Okay, so 14 hours, how we will write it? How we will write this? We will 12 hour we write as 12 noon. Then 13 hour we will write as 1 p.m. Then 14 hours we will write as 2 p.m. So the answer will be 2 p.m. Okay, then the next question is question number B. My dad goes for a walk at 19 hours every day. Okay, so how we will write this 19 hours? In 12-hour clock time we will subtract 12 from this 19. Okay, we will subtract 12 hours from this 19 hours. Okay, so we will be getting 7. So 7 p.m. The answer will be 7 p.m. Now question number C is the rooster crows at 16 hours every day. Okay, so how we will convert this 16 hours, children? We will subtract 12 hours from this 16 hours. So we will be getting 4 hours. Okay, so the answer will be 4 p.m. Now the next question is the newspaper boy brings the newspaper at 8 hours. Okay, so this 8 hours we have to convert this into 12-hour clock time. Okay, so 8 hours we will be writing it as 8 a.m. Okay, we will write it as 8 a.m. So the answer will be 8 a.m. Now the next question is question number E. A new day begins at 0 hours. So 0 hours means 12 midnight. As I have already told you that 0 hours means 12 midnight. Beginning of the new day, that is 12 midnight. So the answer will be 12 midnight. Okay, children. So this is your home task. Solve this in your copies and submit it in MS Teams class notebook. Thank you, children.